Good morning, students. In continuation of our earlier classes and lecture series, today we are going to discuss about the structure and uses of carbonyl compounds. In this, we will discuss about the structure and use of hexamine as well as structure and use of vanillin. Now, first we will see about the structure and use of hexamine. So, what is hexamine? So, hexamine is a heterocyclic organic compound with a chemical formula of C6H12N4. Means it contains 6 carbon, 12 hydrogens and 4 nitrogens. It is also called as a methylamine or hexamethylene tetramine or urotropine. Means hexamine is also known with other names such as methylamine, hexamethylene tetramine or urotropine. Its structure is like this. In this, 4 nitrogens are connected and it is a bicyclic or tetracyclic compound. It is an odorless, colorless, lustrous crystals, means very shiny crystals or white crystalline powder which is hygroscopic, means it will immediately react with water. That's why it is a hygroscopic. It is highly soluble in water and polar organic solvents. It has a cage-like structure, means it is a very box-type structure where 4 corners is nitrogen, other 4 corners are carbons, and in center also there is a 3 joints are there with nitrogens. It has melting point which is around 280 degree. Now, preparation of hexamine. How hexamine can be prepared? So, hexamine can be simply prepared from formaldehyde reaction with ammonia. So, only 2 simple compounds, formaldehyde, ammonia, when reacted, the hexamine has been prepared and water will be eliminated. So, it is a dehydration reaction, condensation and dehydration reaction. Now, the chemical equation, if you will see for this reaction, when formaldehyde react with ammonia, so 6 molecules of formaldehyde react with 4 molecules of ammonia to give hexamethylene tetramine or hexamine and 6 molecule of water. So here this reaction, formaldehyde structure, ammonia structure, dehydration, and this is a hexamine or urotropine reaction. So this is a hexamethylene tetramine. Now, what are the uses of hexamine? So we can see the hexamine used in the production of liquid or powder preparation of phenolic resins. So it is used in the preparation of phenolic resins. Furthermore, hexamine is used as a binders in the clutch and brake linings. So in the vehicles clutches, it is used as a binders. Furthermore, hexamine is used in the form of spray and cream to treat concomitant odor and excessive sweating. So when the hexamine is being used as a body deodorant. It is used as a Grogot's methenamine silver stain. It is used as a color indicator, silver stain. It is also used as a solid foil. Hexamine also used as a food preservative. Furthermore, hexamine also used primary ingredient in making RDX, which is a highly explosive substance. It is also used to prevent vulcanized rubber. So in the vulcanized rubber, hexamine has been used. Furthermore, it is also used as a corrosion inhibitors for steels. So when steel can be treated with hexamine, the corrosion will not take place. It is also act as an anti-infective agent, which is most commonly used to treat urinary tract infection. So hexamine is used as a anti-infective for urinary tract infection. Now we will see the second compound, which is a vanillin. So structure and uses of vanillin. So vanillin is a herbal drug obtained from the dried pods of Vanilla planifolia. So it is first obtained from the plant which is called Vanilla planifolia. Its synonyms is vanilla beans or vanilla pods, families Orchidaceae. Now, the structure of vanillin is nothing but it is a benzaldehyde. So 4-hydroxy, 3-methoxy benzaldehyde is vanillin. Now, vanillin molecular formula is C8H8O3. If you see the physical properties and chemical properties of vanillin, so vanillin is a solid at standard temperature and pressure. Its boiling point is 170 degree at 2000 p pressure atmosphere. Its melting point is 82 degree. Its density is 1.056 gram per centimeter. Its vapor pressure is 0.009998 mmHg. Its reflexive index is 1.555. Its specific heat of vaporization is 0.357 kilojoules per gram. Its specific heat of consumption is 12.16 kilojoule per gram. Now, if you want to synthesize, so vanillin can be synthesized in the lab by a two-step synthesis from the glycol. Glycol is nothing but 2-hydroxy, 2-methoxyphenol. So when glycol and glyoxylic acid has been reacted to produce vanillyl mandelic acid, this vanillyl mandelic acid is alpha hydroxy acetic acid, benzyl acetic acid is a mandelic acid. Then this mandelic acid undergo oxidation to give OH undergo oxidation to ketone, and then decarboxylation take place to this carboxylic acid, and we will get the aldehyde. So it is a two-step reaction. In the first step, glyoxylic acid undergo reaction and give the hydroxy mandelic acid or mandelic acid. It undergo ketone followed by decarboxylation. Now uses. What are the uses of this vanillin? So vanillin used in ice cream. Vanillin is used in chocolates preparation. Vanillin is used in baked goods. Vanillin is used in drinks, as well as vanillin is used in fragrances. Vanillin has been used in candles. Vanillin has been used in medicines as a starting material. Vanillin has been used in cleaning supplies. Vanillin also used as a chemical intermediates for the synthesis of various organic compounds or drugs or APIs. Vanillin also used as a stain for thin layer chromatography. So this all about the structure and properties of hexamine as well as vanillin. Thank you all.